Falling behind on your mortgage or tax payments? First things first, don't panic.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Falling behind on your payments can happen to anyone, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to lose your home. However, it's important to take action as soon as possible, because the longer you wait, the harder it can be to get back on track. So what can you do if you find yourself in this situation? Well, the first step is to reach out to your lender or mortgage company and explain your situation. Believe it or not, they may be able to work out a payment plan or some other solution that can help you get caught up on your payments. Another option is to look into refinancing your mortgage, which can help lower your monthly payments and make them more manageable. And if you're really in a bind, you might even consider selling your home and downsizing to something more affordable. Now, I know this can all seem pretty overwhelming, but the good news is that you're not alone. So don't be afraid to reach out for help. And speaking of help, I want to introduce you to our group, Green Mountain Real Estate Group, LLC. We specialize in buying foreclosure properties, which means that if you do end up needing to sell your home, we can help you do it quickly and efficiently. Our team is made up of experienced professionals who know the ins and outs of the real estate market, and we're dedicated to helping homeowners like you get back on their feet. So if you're in the market to sell your home, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and remember, falling behind on your payments is nothing to be ashamed of. With the right help and support, you can get back on track and keep your home.